Hello, everyone. First of all, I'd like to give honor to whom honor is due. I'd like to say a very big thank you to my facilitator, Mr. Zuka, for this opportunity given to me to be able to present this topic as a strategic leader. My name is Johnson Blessing Elojo, and I'll be talking about the scenario one of ABC Manufacturing Company and the situation they are facing right now. As a strategic leader and a consultant, I'm here to talk about some steps or strategic steps to follow on how to solve this particular issue for the company so as to come back stronger again. ABC Manufacturing Company, as you can see on my slide, are going through a lot of challenges as we speak. This include declining sales, increasing employee turnover, poor communication problem between departments, and growing customers' complaints. The major problem here is the poor communication, customer complaints, and weak strategy coordination. The five problems, as it is written on my slide, needs to be solved. We are going to be using our analysis, which is the SWOT analysis, to solve this problem. As we know, SWOT is the strength, the weakness, opportunity, and threats of a company. We need to analyze this, we need to see this to be able to find a way to solve the problem. For the strength of the company, experienced employees, existing customers, market experience, market presence, weakness, decline sales, high turnover, poor communication, opportunities, digital marketing, technology, new markets, threats, competitions, raising costs, changing customers' expectation. For the SWOT analysis, the company's strengths includes its experienced employees, existing customer and established market presence. Its weakness includes declining sales, higher employee turnover, and poor communication. The opportunities available includes digital marketing, improved technology, employee training, and entering new markets. The major threats include increasing competitions, rising operating costs, and changing customers' expectation. We have some five smart objectives that can help us in this to address this. To address this challenge, the company should develop four smart strategic objectives. First, increase sales by 20% within 12 months. Second, reduce employee turnover by 30% within 1 year. Third, reduce customer complaints by 40% within 6 months. And finally, improve departmental communication by achieving at least 90% compliance with meetings and reporting procedures within 6 months. This will definitely go a long way in achieving our goals and objectives for ABC Manufacturing Company. A lot needs to be done. They need to come together to make sure that they understand why the company is existing at first. The communication is very important, and also they need to put in all this um strategy in helping this situation. Increase sales by 20% within 12 months and others that has been listed above. The strategic actions for this to achieve this objective listed above, management should take four major strategic actions. First, introduce employee training. Employee needs to be trained. Recognition and development programs. This needs to be done for us to meet our objectives. Second, strengthen internal communication through regular meetings and clear reporting channels. This communication is still one of the problems most companies are having and needs to be solved. Once there is good communication I am very sure that a lot of problems in companies will be solved. Third, improve product quality and customer service by strengthening quality control and responding quickly to complaints. Finally, develop a stronger sales and marketing strategy, including digital marketing, customer retention, and exploring new markets. We need to put all this in place. The strategies need to be put in place for us to meet our goals and making sure that ABC Manufacturing Company comes back to its feet again. We have some key performance indicators, which is also known as KPI, to make sure to make sure that we are on track and to see if our objectives or the strategies that we have put in place is really working. Two important key performance indicators or key KPIs can be used to measure the success of the strategy. The first is sales revenue growth, which will show whether the company sales are improving. The second is employee turnover rates, which will show whether the company is successfully retaining its employee. These are very important. The KPI will help us to watch our steps, help us to know if we are doing the right thing or not, help us to know if whatever we have put in place has really worked out well in helping ABC company to move forward. In conclusion, ABC Manufacturing Company needs strong strategy leadership to overcome its current challenges. By improving employee engagement, communication, customer satisfaction, product quality, and sales strategies, this organization can improve its performance and achieve sustainable growth by doing all this. When all this is being put in place, especially the communication and the sales, how the sales is being worked on, I'm sure that ABC Communication, ABC Company, Manufacturing Company, would definitely come back to its feet again once they put in all the strategies that has been listed from the beginning of this presentation. Communication is key. Thank you for listening.